Hi there guys, I'm just showing you this product. This is the Tumble Dryer venting kit. These are for tumble dryers obviously that aren't the condenser units, but you want them inside the house. Prevents you from steaming up, eliminates the need for exterior vent, easy to fit, so it should look like that. This is a White Knight tumble dryer, model number C448W. Alright, so inside you get various bits and pieces. Alright, so you get the unit, the condenser unit, and you get a few venting kits that go on the back. It's the first time I've done this, I looked at it, so I'm just going to take a look at the back of this machine. Right. As you can see in the back, you can just see down there, that's where the venting bit is. Lose that. So essentially it just goes in there and into there. So all you're doing is you just put that, so that just captures it when it's done. There's various mounting kits there you can use, but that's it. Then you just tie it up with the cable tie and that's it. Nothing hard about it at all. As I say, they come with different bits and pieces depending on what type of machine it is. Yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. And when you go to empty it, all you're doing is you're flipping that open like that when it's full, and you tip it down the sink or whatever, and then you just crack on. So I thought I'd show you that. Dead easy to fit. Dead easy to use. The unit itself's got some reasonable reviews, and then what you do is you just flip it round, and that will do everything you need to do. The only thing is, you've got to make sure that it is sort of permanently on. You can see here, like, it gives you a description of. I can't really show you, but that's what's on. But yeah, nothing difficult about it. It says, I'll say the English version, it says verify context was select the connector matching the holes on your dryer, put the connector on the lid, connect the holes to your kit supplied and to the closed dryer, blah blah blah, fill with tap water about 4 centimeters, close the lid, and can be placed on the floor, mounted on the wall, replace the water on a regular basis. So that's all you're doing. You're adding water and it just, yeah. I'll have to show it in action guys, but that's basically what you're doing. Bang, 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 and it just captures the steam. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's by Universal. I'll catch you later.